Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Rashmi and I'm from Ayodhya, Uttar Pradesh. I'm here with another interesting topic. Hope you are learning and speaking English in better way. Today's video is for beginners, how to start. And if you are like me, just speaking 2 or 3 sentences and after that you stuck and couldn't express yourself. So this video is for you. So the first tip I want to share and what I am using, and it is helping me a lot. That is just observe your surrounding and pick any object, any one object, and just explain it. Explain it with 5 to 6 sentences, like anything, but whatever it is. Like something is like, is it a box? So this is a box, and in this box there is a cute picture, and this box is very small, and it has a chain. It has 2 chains, and this looks beautiful. Okay, so you can start like this, 4 to 5 sentences for a particular any object. Okay, so like any plant, anything, any object, like this comb, like this notebook, my notebook. This is a vocab notebook, and I write all the vocabs and grammar tips in this. And this is not very thin and not very thick. You can see this is not very thin and this is not very thick, and it's a purple color notebook, and it's a spiral notebook, so like this you can speak, you can start to speak. After that, just add extra vocabulary in your sentence and make it simple to complex. So for starting, you can do this. I'm also doing this for 1 month, and it's helping me a lot. So you can also do that. If I pick this plant, it's a tulsi plant. I think you have seen this, and it's very common in everyone's house, and most of the people use it in tea. I also use it in tea, and mostly in colds I use it. And yes, and it is used for respiratory health, and it control blood sugar, and it's good for immune system, and it's boost immune system. Have you ever seen that some people wear it as a mala and like necklace, and of its branches they cut it and use it, and I think it's good for focus and mindfulness, I think. But I want to wear that, but I will buy that. If you can see, this is bagan. Oh no, not bagan. It's a brinjal. Sorry.
Bygone.
It's brinjal, it's brinjal, and it is vegetable. And what vegetable you like most? If I say that I like brinjal's chokha, chokha? Mashed potato and brinjal, that's called chokha. So you know bati chokha. I love one of my favorite food is bati chokha. So like this, you can also describe something, anything, whatever you observe, you can describe 4 or 5 sentences of that object to improve your English. After using 5 to 6 days, you will able to speak